In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Asana team name. Before we begin, a quick note on how Asana is organized. In Asana, you'll see either a workspace or an organization at the top level, and within that live your teams and projects. Depending on how your account is set up, the name you see for the workspace or organization can influence what users think of as the team name. Today, we'll walk through changing the workspace name from the admin console and then checking whether that change updates what you expect to see for the team. Start by opening Asana on your computer, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile, photo, or initials. In the menu that appears, choose Admin Console. You'll need to be an admin to access this area. If you don't see it, you may not have the required permissions and will need to ask an admin to make the change for you. The Admin Console is where global settings live, so it's the right place to update the name that appears across your workspace or organization. Inside the Admin Console, find the section that lets you edit the name of your workspace or organization. Click into the name field, type your new name, and save. Take a moment to be deliberate with the wording, capitalization, and any punctuation. This name is visible to everyone and appears in places like the top bar and the workspace switcher, so clarity matters. If you're aligning the name with a department or company standard, match that format here to keep everything consistent for your teammates. Once you've saved the new name, return to your main Asana view and check whether it changes what you expect to see for the team name. Look at the left sidebar where your teams are listed, and also at any team headers you commonly use. In many cases, especially in smaller setups using a single workspace, this update helps align what people think of as the team name with the broader workspace name. If you don't immediately see the change, refresh your browser. Occasionally, it can take a moment for the update to propagate across tabs and devices. If the team name didn't change, that likely means your account lives inside an organization where individual teams have their own names separate from the workspace or organization name. In that case, what you updated is the overall workspace or organization label, and teams remain independent. You would need to rename the specific team directly within its team settings, which is separate from what we covered here. That's it. You clicked your profile, opened the admin console, changed the workspace name, and checked for the update. Make sure everyone on your team is aware of the new name so there's no confusion moving